Google Analytics is an amazing free tool that you can use to monitor your website, but it can be super confusing, so you might want to get some help. In this video, I'll show you how to add a manager to your Google Analytics account so that someone else can help monitor your website. I'm Brighton West and I help coaches, authors, and speakers use YouTube to grow their business. One thing I like to see is viewers going from YouTube to my clients' websites, and Google Analytics helps monitor that traffic. YouTube has a great set of analytics, but if you want to know if people are going to your website, you're going to have to use Google Analytics. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a manager so you can have someone else accessing your Google Analytics and figuring out if people are going from YouTube to your site and what's happening once they get there. We'll start out in the YouTube website, and I just want to make sure that you're logged on to YouTube, and then you'll head over to analytics.google.com. And this is assuming you already have this set up on your website. I'm not going to go through the details of setting it up. And we've got the details here. And what you're going to do is come on down to the bottom to admin, bottom left. And then go to user manager in the far left column. And if you've got multiple accounts, you can actually do this further over, but I think the best thing to do is to use the far left column so the manager is being applied to all of your different properties in your Google Analytics account. And then you'll just add permissions here. So if you wanted to add me, you just add brighton@authenticwestfilms.com. And you can choose the level of access here. Read and analyze is pretty common, but if you're working with me, I'd like you to choose the edit level. Check notify user by email. Click add. And this one's saying a user is already added to the account because this is my account, but otherwise it would add them up here, and you can remove people from this same spot, but then they will be able to go in and see things like, where is your audience coming from? And you can see here, a decent amount of my traffic in the last week has come from YouTube, which is what I like to see. And we can see some additional information from there. If you want to use YouTube to drive visitors to your website, then you're in the right place. Be sure to click the subscribe button. Each week I share some great tips for growing your coaching or speaking business with YouTube.